Hi, Gareth and Janet here from Port Monkeys, and we're in the port of Andalsnes, Norway. And we came on the Sky Princess, and so we're just gonna take a little walk over to the gondola station. If you're lucky, you'll see a gondola come up or down. It's raining, so I'm going to have some droplets on the lens, and if I wipe them off, it'll go black for a second and then come right back. So we've been here a couple hours and it's rained the whole time. We were going to ride the gondola up, but we figured it's probably worse up there. We noticed there's no line to get on the gondola anymore. Well, a little bit of a line. And like everybody is returning to the ship now because it started raining harder. It's Andalsnes, Norway. My Norwegian is not very good. And there's a little bottleneck here at the port gates because they've got one little door open, and going in and going out has to use the same door. Of course, you could see across the fjord there residential and farms and things, and then there's still snow up on some of the mountains or glaciers. There goes the gondola, and if one goes up, one comes down.
Hello. Welcome to your video. What's up, guys?
Sky Princess Photo team.
Yeah.
You got a YouTube channel too?
Yes. Port Monkeys. It'll be a while before this is on though. So as we go through this gate, I'm gonna wipe. There I wiped. I'm going to go up here. Janet suggested we go up here because she likes climbing stairs. That's why our cabin's on deck 17. Hi.
Hi.
You're in the video.
Oh, hi.
So there's the Sky Princess. There's the gondola station. That's a mountain climbing center, that weird looking building with the splotches on it. And of course, this is a fjord. Hey, I see a seagull. Anyway, let's walk into town. You have anything to say?
No. Except stairs. More
See?
stairs.
I told you she likes stairs. Ooh. I didn't realize how close I was to that fascia board. So we're going to walk a little bit out in the road instead of on that boardwalk that they built for us, because the boardwalk is, well, like I said, it's covered with people returning to the ship because it started raining a lot harder and people coming home now. By the way, Janet crocheted this hat for me, and I never get to use it at home, you know, Southern California. Gondola. Romsdalen. I think that might be the name of the top up there. And there is a lookout you can hike to. It's not there, it's across the mountain a little bit, and it, you know, it's like a pier, right? And we wanted to do it, but we don't want to hike around on a mountain trail in the rain if we don't have to, and well, we don't have to. So what I'm going to do now is wipe my lens again. That didn't take too long, did it? Well, it hasn't rained hard enough for that to be wet underneath the car, but it hasn't let up either. It's only gotten steadier and steadier and steadier. Well, I'm going to have to get up on the boardwalk now. Hi. Yeah. There's people getting off the gondola and other people waiting to get on. There I go pointing again. And you can see the sprinkling in the water. We're just going to go down here a little bit further. See, it's not hot. They're wearing shorts. I didn't wear the jacket most of the day until it started raining more, and I had the hat off most of the day until it started raining more. And there was a huge line out here a couple hours ago. Now they're even taking it off. So let's just walk down here. I know I said it before, but it's the Sky Princess. I love this. And our cabin is way up there, almost at the front. Top deck 17, top deck of cabins. So, and of course you remember we don't use the elevators ever on a ship. So it's a long way up and a long way down. Coming down's easier though. That's like the whole town right there. This is the stores and hotels and I guess apartments, and then up on the outskirts are the residential up on a hill. Look for our video about it. Andalsnes, Norway. So I'm Gareth.
I'm Janet, and we'll see you in the next part.
Bye.